Office on Twitter and Facebook. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 146, effective until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Oklahoma: Canadian, Grady, Kingfisher, and Logan. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 152, effective until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time Sunday. This watch includes the following counties in Oklahoma: Canadian, Cleveland, Grady, Kingfisher, Lincoln, Logan, McLean, Oklahoma, Payne, and Potawatomi. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Comanche County in southwestern Oklahoma, southern Grady County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Stevens County in southern Oklahoma, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles east of Geronimo, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado and half-dollar size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Duncan, Marlow, Rush Springs, Bray, Sterling, Agawam, Central High, Acme, and Cox City. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 69 and 72. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Comanche County in southwestern Oklahoma, northwestern Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, west central Garvin County in southern Oklahoma, southern Grady County in central Oklahoma, Cotton County in southwestern Oklahoma, Stevens County in southern Oklahoma, southeastern Tillman County in southwestern Oklahoma, northwestern Clay County in northern Texas, Wichita County in northern Texas, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Marlow to 4 miles north of Mankins, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Wichita Falls, Duncan, Burke Burnett, Marlow, Henrietta, Walters, Waurika, Iowa Park, Comanche, Geronimo, Bray, Temple, Sterling, Centralia, Byers, Dean, Renlet, Jolly, DeVoe, and Hastings. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect for the Warren area. Tornado warning for South Central Creek County in northeastern Oklahoma, West Central Okmulgee County in northeastern Oklahoma, Central Okfuskee County in east central Oklahoma, until midnight Central Daylight Time. At 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado is located near Okemah, moving north at 40 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. Tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations in or near the path include Okemah, Okfuskee, Castle, Welty, Mason. This includes Interstate 40 in Oklahoma between mile markers 213 and 225. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Creek County in northeastern Oklahoma, Okmulgee County in northeastern Oklahoma, Okfuskee County in east central Oklahoma, until midnight Central Daylight Time. At 11:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Slick to 2 miles northeast of Wilka, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Also, an ongoing tornado continues across southwestern Okfuskee County. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Okmulgee, Okemah, Okfuskee, Henrietta, Banks, Walitka, Dewar, Shelter, Bearden, Castle, Clearview, Preston, Okmulgee State Park, Faro, Bryant, Mason, Hectorville. This includes Interstate 40 in Oklahoma between mile markers 212 and 239. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern, northeastern, and east central Oklahoma.